My son, I know you have been facing too many difficulties in your life.
Yes.
I know say you don't do but yet nothing good will come out.
Oh!
No worry.
Okay.
Now the reason why I dare here to come give you help.
Mama, I don't Jesus! For this life.
Jesus!
Mama,
Jesus!
I serve this our country.
May God
Yet I
not
get
allow
work.
them, make them kill you.
Not the way they put my hand where they walk. I want to end everything, Jare.
Oh.
Just
No. Brother Solo, take this 1,000 naira.
1,000.
Yes.
What you make I do?
You go use and start up business. The business will grow. Jesus. You will make you become very rich man.
Never.
One, when you don't get enough money, make sure you give back to the poor and the needy anytime they come meet you for help. Two, always thank God at all time. I will see you want to come give me that.
Just that one.
Not when I'm alive. Brother Solo, you see that road?
Hey!
I don't die. I don't die for this life. I don't die.
No problem. The blood of Jesus, there is God. There is God in everything we are doing. Only you can come.
This man! You get my usual? Give me 2 bottles.
Oh!
Put 3 meat.
No, I'm not too much.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not too much. I am not too much.
Child. Yeah, this God.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What you make I do?
You go use and start up business. The business go grow. It go make you become very rich man. But
Hey! Hey! Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama, I don't pay.
You don't pay.
I am not too much.
I talk am. Till I die, you know go ever fit make am.
Hey! Jesus.
There is God in everything we are doing.
You don't have future here. You don't have, you can never make, can never make. 70 years old now. I am not too much. About your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.